What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jay, the SKC Kid, leader of the Kid Crew, your favorite broke YouTuber. And today, I just wanted to introduce you guys to my new headsets, the A10 Astros. Y'all see it right there? Alright, so these are the new Astro A10s that I just got. Well, yeah. I don't know if you say Astro A10s or just A10s. It's for the PS4, as you guys can see down there. If you guys don't know, Astro is a good company. This is not a paid promotion or anything. I'm just doing this just to unbox for anybody out there wondering how these are. I'm just giving a review on them, I guess. So these are a gaming headset. I game a lot. They're long lasting. Flip to mute. So pretty much it's the flip up to mute it, flip down to speak. A detachable 3.5mm inline volume control cable. So far this is pretty dope, but I'm gonna get it open for you guys right now. So let's go. Uh-oh. Kind of rip the box a little bit. So as you can see, got the bottom part open. I'm about to now pull it out. I'll pull it out backwards, but see it at 10. Now pull it out. Ta-da! Oh. Uh-oh. Ta-da! Now we got the Astros, y'all. Take those out. I'm gonna sit the line to the side. I have never had gaming headsets come in package. Y'all probably wondering why I'm so excited for these. I've never had an expensive headset. Well, these aren't really like expensive, like up there gaming, but these are decent. My last headsets that I had were like super big on my ears and used to like make my ears turn red because of how hot they would get. So I needed something that wasn't gonna make me so hot, and they were huge. And I can't be seen like that in a gameplay with those huge things on, so I got something new. I mean, these are kind of big, but they're definitely a lot smaller than what I had. But I'm gonna just see what they look like with the hat on. My hair's not done right now, so let's see. Astros, which way it goes? Okay, left, right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I like this. And then so this is how it's muted, and then you pull it down. Pull it down to speak, and then you put it right back up to mute it. And it's flexible too. I like that the mic is flexible. Don't want to break it though. These are nice. Definitely gonna enjoy gaming with these. They're so clean. Like, look at that, y'all. Look how clean they are. These were $53. I bought them $53 at Walmart. So this is just an unboxing video. I'm gonna do another video on how they actually sound in game, like on the PS4 when I'm recording. Yeah, I definitely like how they look, and I love how cushioned they are on the ears. My last one had a lot of cushion, but it had like a leathering padding. It was like, I don't know if it was leather or not, but it had like, it pretty much wasn't a pillow. These are like a pillow on my ears, and I love them. They're so comfortable. It like wraps around my ears. This is comfortable. This is more like it. So yeah, if you're definitely interested, go get you some A10s. A10 by Asteroid. I said Asteroid. A10s by Astro. Astro, hey, y'all did something with these. These are gorgeous. Like, yo, I don't know why I'm so excited for these. These are gorgeous though. That was just the unboxing, I guess. And then it comes with the wiring, which is detachable. So that's the wiring. Well, the wiring in this package right here. Then the A10. And y'all can see on the side that clean Astro. And on the other side, the A10s. Bro, these are nice. I wish this was sponsored, but it's not sponsored. Now on top, they got the Astros, not Beats by Dre. Inside joke. These are very nice, like really nice. Yeah, and it comes in a clean box too. Like the box is clean. I'm sorry for the intro on that. Clean with it, break my spleen with it. You know, or clean with it, break your spleen with it. I don't know. Shout out to Corey Kendrick. Yeah, that's the Astro A10s. Just an unboxing of it. As I said, the boxing is very straight to the point. It shows you what it got. You know. And even as simple as it is, it looks very good. Like, I don't need no over the top type stuff, but these are very good looking. But as I said, in part, 2 of this video, I will show you guys how they sound in an actual like gameplay setting. I might do COD Modern Warfare if that's what you guys want. Probably play like a quick team deathmatch and play with these on. But yeah, that's all I have for today, is just unboxing these Astro A10s. They look very beautiful. They clean. That's all I can say. They way better than my last headset. They clean for $53. So far, I think I got my worth just from looks. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment if you want me to do more unboxing of just random things that I get. As I said, I would do a part 2 where I actually do like a testing of how these sound. That's all I got for today. See you guys in another video. Peace out.